Welcome back to my channel Traveling MJ. Enjoy the video. Giethoorn is a village in the province of Overijssel, Netherlands, with a population of around 3,000 inhabitants. It is around 100 kilometers from Amsterdam and takes about an hour to reach by car. Giethoorn, the most beautiful and fairy tale village, is also called the Venice of the Netherlands. The Dutch village where the inhabitants can only sail, walk or cycle to get around. Every year 1 million people visit this beautiful village. The village contains all small islands that are connected to the mainland by 176 bridges. On all these islands are houses, farms, with thatched roofs that were built in the 18th and 19th century. The best way to explore Giethoorn and the myriad of canals is by joining a canal cruise. Local skippers can guide you through the place and show you the most important places in this quiet village. A tour lasts about 1 hour and follows the tourist village route. The route goes through the narrow canals and under the bridges to return to your starting point via the Bovenwijk. The prices of these cruises vary from 10 to 15 euros per person. like, share and subscribe to my channel for more travel related videos.